Everybody, we are playing Paper Aeroplane. This game is pretty cool, so let's get into it. First jump, not bad, I squat a bit. Wahoo! Oh my god, that is way further. That is way further than I expected. Just like go the right one forward, but I'm gonna go a little further. Do the thing that's in the middle of the screen. Wahoo! Just baby. Guys, I don't know what to say about this. We got a ton of money. We got a ton of money. Bonk. Let's jam. Bye bye. No. Yeah, that was fun. I just held, but that's more. We're probably gonna go to another tower soon. The tallest tower. Okay, flip it over. Right, you were doing it. Let's do it. Tunnel quest. But this is probably going to be a long time. Blah blah blah. This is still a little bit of sound effects. That is fun. We're probably gonna get like another plane, and that's gonna be fun, bro.
Bruh.
What? Bro. Why? Why does that have to happen, bro? Alright.